We're back on the air. This is Radio Entrepreneurs, and want to remind everyone this show is 100% dedicated to the promotion of entrepreneurship, what it means, the hardships, the growth, the unique products and services that people offer. My guest host today, David Soper from Wicked Local Marketing. Always fun to have David around. David, thanks.
Hey, Jeffrey, thanks for the kind accolades.
Well, you are Mr. Brand.
I'm working on it.
He is the man. Our next guest is Jon Halaby. Halaby?
Halaby,
Sorry.
yes.
Halaby from Halaby Law Group.
Hey, Jeffrey, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Why don't you tell David and I what Halaby Law Group is? What's the practice all about?
Yeah, certainly. So we're a 7-member firm, and we've got 4 attorneys. My wife and I are both attorneys. We met in law school back in 1993. I've been practicing just over 20 years.
And she's managing partner, right?
She's managing partner. I'm second in command, absolutely. 2 other attorneys with us. We focus on a few different areas of the law, from insurance claims, injury matters, employment cases, business disputes, litigation of several types, and we have an active transactional practice too, drafting contracts, employment agreements, and with an eye towards risk prevention.
How often do you find yourself involved in a situation where you're going to have to go to trial for an employment matter? I imagine today just seems to be, just seem to be more litigious.
Yeah, certainly. You know, trials in civil matters, they're becoming less and less. There was a day when you found out a little bit about a dispute and you filed a civil action. The court put you on the trial calendar. You did some limited discovery, which is the fact-finding process as to what happened, and fit those within the legal framework. And you get a jury impaneled, and you go through the trial process. Very quick method of resolving the dispute, with the jury making the ultimate decision as to whether an award should be rendered. Now it's the same thing, but it's a little bit more drawn out, and it's a lot more expensive. Experts need to be commanded, oftentimes with regard to any number of issues in a particular dispute. Dispositive motions are often filed. These are motions that are presented to the court to see if parts of the case can be pared down or completely dismissed. Those are expensive proceedings. Discovery is expensive. Discovery is the process of exchanging documents, finding out what people
Very
have to say.
expensive. And
Very expensive.
Because that's where you win and lose a case a lot of times, isn't it?
That's right. So partially, and that's a good point. So in other words, you oftentimes are setting yourself up more for a resolution through that expansive discovery and motion process than just having the final decision maker, the jury. In addition to that, there's a real industry that's developed over the past maybe 20 to 25 years called alternative dispute resolution, which is mediation or arbitration. And that's an effective way of resolving cases. In fact, a lot of services are calling themselves dispute resolution rather than alternative dispute resolution, because that's becoming the norm for case resolution rather than a jury trial.